In this video, I'll guide you through how to automate Calendly meeting reminders so you can spend less time following up and more time actually meeting with people. We'll walk through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll have an automated reminder system running in your Calendly account. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly dashboard. From the main screen, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see several options, such as your event types, routing, and other settings. What you're looking for is the Workflows tab. Go ahead and click on the Workflows tab in that left-hand sidebar. When the Workflows page opens, Calendly will either show you existing workflows, or if this is your first time here, it may look fairly empty. If you're new to workflows, you'll see an option that says something like Create Your First Workflow. If you already have some workflows set up, you'll instead see a button that says Create New Workflow. In either case, the idea is the same. Click that button to start creating a new automated workflow. Once you click to create a workflow, Calendly will show you a list of templates you can use. These templates are pre-built automations designed for common tasks like sending reminder emails or follow-up messages. Since we're focusing on automated meeting reminders, look for a template that mentions sending a reminder before an event. This might say something like remind invitee before event, or a similar phrase. Selecting a template is helpful because a lot of the structure is already created for you. You won't have to build the entire automation from scratch. Instead, you can simply adjust the timing, the message content, or the communication method if the template allows. Click on the template that best matches the type of meeting reminder you want to send. After choosing your template, Calendly will bring you into the workflow editor. Here, you'll customize which events this reminder should apply to. This is important because you might not want the same reminder going out for every single meeting type you offer. Look for the section labeled something like Event Types or Applies to. In this area, Calendly will show you a list of your existing event types, such as different lengths of meetings, consultations, or sessions. Choose which event types this workflow should apply to. For example, you might select your standard 30-minute meeting and your 60-minute consultation, but leave out internal team meetings. Take a moment to think about which events truly need automated reminders for your invitees. Select the event types that make sense for this particular workflow. While you're still in the editor, it's a good idea to glance over the reminder message and timing that came with the template. Even though the instructions here focus on the core steps, using the template's default settings, you can usually adjust when the reminder goes out, such as a certain number of hours or days before the meeting. Make sure it feels appropriate for your typical invitees. Once you've selected your event types and you're happy with the basic setup, the final step is to save your workflow. Look for the Save button, usually in the top or bottom corner of the page, and click it. Saving activates the workflow for the event types you chose, and that's it. You've now set up automated Calendly meeting reminders using workflows. From here on out, Calendly will handle sending reminders for you, helping reduce no-shows and keeping your schedule running smoothly.